the north fence line, where the clover used to grow. But there's a silver-plated sensor buried in every row. The soil felt different, like it was holding its breath, under a carbon credit mandate, a slow and quiet death. A drone hovered over, scanning the veins in the leaf. A robotic tax collector, a high-altitude thief. They said the water in the basin, it belongs to the bank. You're just a tenant now, boy, and your credit just sank. They're putting this meter on the rain, a lockbox on the well, selling back the marrow that the ancestors wouldn't sell. It's an emergency measure, it's a resource realignment, but it looks like a prison with a green-coded assignment. From the seed in the furrow to the light in the sky, they're harvesting the freedom and leaving us to dry. I went to buy a shovel, went to buy a bag of feed, but my digital dollar wouldn't acknowledge my need. The screen flashed a warning, usage limit attained. Your social safety score has been recently stained. They didn't take the land with the gun or blade, they took it with an algorithm and a program trade. Now the emergency grid decides if I can see at night, while they're mining out the valley just to keep their servers bright. They're seizing the marrow, they're taxing the dew. They're building a world that hasn't got room for you. No more off-grid dreaming, no more secret springs. The corporation owns the air and the wind beneath its wings. The well is dry, the meter is spinning. They think they're at the end, but we're just beginning. Grid is a circle, but every circle has a gap. If you can't live in their light, you learn to hunt in their shadow.